Barack Hussein Obama was born on August 4th, 1961 in Honolulu, Hawaii. He spent the majority of his childhood in Honolulu. However, he did live in Indonesia between the ages of 6 and 10. After high school in Honolulu, Obama attended college. In 1983, he graduated from Columbia University in New York. He then moved to Chicago. Soon after, he entered Harvard Law School. In 1991, he graduated with honors and returned to Chicago to practice law and also taught law at the University of Chicago. Obama became very active in the Democratic Party. In 1996, he was elected to the Illinois Senate. He was elected to the U.S. Senate from Illinois in 2004. He quickly became a major figure in his party. In 2007, he decided to run for President of the United States. Obama was chosen to be the candidate for the Democrats at the political convention in August 2008. He chose Senator Joseph Biden to be his running mate. On November 4th, 2008, voters chose Barack Obama to be the 44th President of the United States. In 2009, he won the Nobel Peace Prize. In 2012, Obama ran for a second term as president and was re-elected on November 6th. He became the first sitting U.S. president to visit Cuba in more than 80 years. Obama wrote several books about his life and his view on major issues of the day. He will always be recognized as becoming the first African American to become president.